Hi guys, welcome to MBA CAT 2021 preparation video. Exam is nothing but on 28th of November. So this is what the deadline and roughly 70 days we have in our hand for the preparation. How to go about basically preparation. Also recently MBA CT exam finished and exam was very ambiguous, jumbled and very new type of the question they had introduced. So many goof up happened and because of that many students not perform well. Some of the question were wrong. So जितने भी लोगों का एग्जाम अच्छे से नहीं गया हुआ है, now you should shift your target CAT after then NMAT, SNAP, IFT, CMAT, all these exams. So for CAT at Maneuver we have launched batch which is starting from 1st of October. And if you want to book your seat, you can contact our team on this number to enroll for this batch. Also, those who have not yet registered for the CAT exam, kindly fill your application form and register yourself. This year you have to focus only on the preparation part. No any celebration, no any holidays. So no Diwali, no Christmas, no New Year. I mean the day festival is there, definitely you should celebrate, but do not waste much time, otherwise your preparation will get hampered. Alright. So CAT exam anyway we are preparing. So if you prepare for the CAT, तो quant का level you prepare for the higher level, you prepare for the verbal RC, then LRDI, right? Same preparation will help you in NMAT, SNAP, CET, CMAT. CMAT का exam fill करो because Pan India colleges accept the CMAT score. TEST is there, ZAT, MAT and any of the other entrance you are planning to write. So basically the preparation which you are doing for the CAT will help you in the other MBA entrance as well. Also those who have a phobia from the maths and those who are weak in English. So for English, start reading the Hindu newspaper, editorial page and the page 1. This is what the must do thing you have to do. And for the maths, speed calculation, basic concept and your theory part. If you are intact with all these things, then it will be easy for the practicing the questions and you will be able to cope up with the question type and the CAT level questions. Alright, next is regarding the batches. This is what the curriculum: live class, ebooks, books, shortcuts, doubt class, recorded videos, very important mentorship, 10,000 plus questions will be practicing, WhatsApp group, mock and the topic test. These are the curriculum of your crash course program and which is starting from 1st of October. So once you join the batch, kindly take the access of all the video lectures, books and very important mock tests. Those who are watching this video today or maybe little late, I suggest 2 mock per week लिखना चालू कर दो. So once you enroll for the crash course, ये सारे एक्सेस आपके पास होने चाहिए. वीडियो लेक्चर से आपकी प्रिपरेशन चालू कर दो, बुक से प्रैक्टिस एंड मॉक टेस्ट. सो 1st अक्टूबर से जब बैच चालू होगी तो ब्लैंक नहीं रहना है, थोड़ी बहुत प्रिपरेशन आप चालू रहनी चाहिए. ऑल्सो यू हैव नॉट येट डन विथ योर प्रिपरेशन, बट आई स्टिल एडवाइज यू कि आप 2 मॉक लिख लो. ये मंथ में 2 से 3 मॉक I strongly advise कि लिख लो. You will get to know what types of the question, what is the difficulty level, how to tackle with the question, time pressure and everything will be getting. उसके बाद प्रिपरेशन करोगे तो it will be good. So those who want to join for the batches, ये नंबर पे contact कर लो and our team will guide you with regards to the batches and do collect all these material, access of the videos, mock and books order कर लो, आपके घर पे वो courier हो जाएगी. और next is nothing but the how we go about the preparation wise. So pre-work and post-work. क्लास के पहले there is a pre-work and then there is post-work. Alright. So before you come for the class, step 1, वीडियो लेक्चर्स आपको डैशबोर्ड से देख के आना है so that you will be thorough with the basic part. जितने लोग का मैथ्स वीक है, इंग्लिश के ट्रिक्स में प्रॉब्लम है, थोड़ा सा प्री वर्क करके आना है. देन यू अटेम्प्ट द लाइव क्लास. सो प्री रिकॉर्डेड लेक्चर्स के देखने के बाद यू विल बी एटलीस्ट अवेयर ऑफ द टॉपिक एंड आई सजेस्ट कि एटलीस्ट 5 to 10 क्वेश्चन आपके बुक से सॉल्व करके आओ एंड थ्योरी पार्ट, बुक का जो हर टॉपिक का थ्योरी पार्ट है वो कंप्लीट करके आओ. ओके, सो स्टेप 1 इज द वीडियो, देन स्टेप 2 इज द क्लास, स्टेप 3 इज नथिंग बट प्रैक्टिसिंग फ्रॉम द बुक. इन योर बुक देयर आर 50 क्वेश्चन गिवन, 2 times you have to practice these question. This type of the question will get repeated in your exam. यही टाइप होगा, सिर्फ नंबर चेंज होगा. उसके बाद evaluate your preparation topic test, that is a step number 4 and obviously full length mock. So by September 2 mock per week and by October onwards 3 mock per week and by November you have to rigorously work on the mock, time management, revision part. इस पे काम करेंगे अपन. Alright, that's all in this video. Next video will be regarding the syllabus versus strategy and how to prepare in next remaining days and what are the weightage with regards to the section and the topic जिस पे हमें ज़्यादा काम करना है. So this will be the next video. Any of other video if you want me to make, definitely write in the comment box. I'll make the video on the same. 2022 and 23 की भी batches launch हो गई है. So once again contact on this number, and to order the books, mock test, online program, link I have mentioned in the description. Kindly check the description and do follow us on social media guys. YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, Telegram. यहाँ पे आपको updates, notification, exams के related मिलते रहेगा. Alright. So prepare well and see you in the live class. All the best. Thank you.